Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about HBAR, analyzing the charts, really understanding what's happening and what we could be expecting. Obviously, as we are closing out the year of 2024, today's the last day of the year. It's been a long journey, on this channel, especially to the people that have been here from the beginning. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate you guys as always. And I think the year of 2025 is going to be great, and I hope you guys get everything that you guys wish for the year of 2025. But let's take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting. Looking across the board, of course, the December 30th was actually a little bit of a red day for the markets yet again. But right now, if you're noticing the last 1 hour, to be specific, I'm only specifically talking about the last 1 hour as of now. You are seeing some green across the board, which of course is nice to see. So we're starting off on a really positive note. Right now, it's still quite early. It's really late here in North America, depending where you are. But it's going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts and how it closes the year tomorrow. So which is obviously something that I'm going to be keeping an eye out on. But as far as HBAR is concerned, it's up 0.1% over the last 1 hour. If you're looking at the last daily time frame, it's down about 2.1% right now. If we're looking at the price right now, 27.4 cents, down 2.2% in USD, down 2.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 10.46 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased a little bit compared to yesterday, currently sitting at almost 700 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So recently you have seen the dominance, picking up traction. As you can see, obviously nothing crazy as of now, but we have seen a little bit of a bounce for the dominance. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, I did mention this in my update for XRP throughout the day. You guys kind of know what has happened if you did watch that. If not, no problem. You can see we did retest the 23.6 support, and we actually went down to $91,386 to be specific. We have some support around there. We did see a little bit of a bounce, back in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, of course. They're currently sitting at $94,000. And let me just show you guys the price of Bitcoin on the hourly time frame so we can kind of take a look at what's happening. So of course, today's the last day of the year. So if Bitcoin is able to, I would say, break out of the $95,400, I wouldn't even be surprised if Bitcoin, closes the daily, I'm sorry, not the daily candle, the year off at $100,000. That is a move of about 6%, but believe it or not, things can move up very fast in this market. And if it's able to close at 100K, I think that is a beautiful, beautiful way to close out the year. But you don't want to see Bitcoin closing below the 23.6 fib zone, which I don't think will happen regardless. But there has been a lot of FUD obviously revolving USDT, if you guys are aware on this channel, which has kind of had an impact on the broader market, as well as after the FOMC meeting and all that good stuff. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with HBAR right now on the hourly time frame, and of course what we could be expecting in the next few hours. So let's take a look at that. Let me just pull out the charts for you guys. There we are. And let's go on the hourly time frame. So here we are. You can see HBAR's price actually did end up retesting the support, of course, once yesterday, and just a few minutes ago as well. We actually broke below it, but you are seeing this exact same support playing as a significant support level, and as to be expected, that's why this line has been drawn. But you're sitting at back above that key support, which is great to see. Obviously now, as the price wants to break towards the upside, that same exact level that was playing as a support at one time is playing as a little bit of a resistance for the price. But I have no doubts within myself that if the price is able to bounce back above here, we do reclaim back into 0.50 quite fast. What I want you guys to learn is you guys want to learn from the past moves. So we have seen market shakeouts before, and of course when the price of Bitcoin has a shakeout, you do tend to see altcoins reacting, and HBAR even is not an exception. You can see we have seen significant drops, but you want to be noticing the recoveries after, and I am very optimistic. Obviously, you don't want to be losing the support. We lose the support if dominance shoots back up, and Bitcoin price sees a rejection, breaks below the 23.6 fib zone, which of course will cause the price of HBAR to go below this. We spoke about this yesterday, and of course if that happens, the retest down to the likes of 25 cents, possibly even filling the wick at the 23 cents, is still on the table. But let's see what happens today. Going to be very very interesting. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now? What are your strategies? What are your predictions on HBAR going into the year of 2025? And yeah, love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support throughout the year of 2024, and especially, shout out to the people that have been with me since day one. Love each and every one of you guys. Without you guys, this would not be possible. At the end of the day, if you guys follow the channel, you guys know content creation is my passion, and that keeps me going, and your support keeps me going. All the nice comments, love you all. Cannot thank you guys enough. Happy New Year. This is of course the last update of the year of 2024 for HBAR, and I will see you in the next year. And yeah, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.